Oh, hey, Yuki. Okay, for the last time, this is not a vending machine, nor is it a magic waterfall or some fountain of youth. You're only 8 months old. You've got your whole life in front of you. Shining youth. Years of... What? Shine like what? I guess you could shine like my duct tape. Because I'm about to wrap a rather large gift. I couldn't find the packing tape, if you must know. I thought it was a good alternative. Kind of matches the tinsel. I know we don't have tinsel, but if we did, it would be a shiny, sterling, platinum silver. Ice? Why would I put ice in the present? I'm not giving her an organ. What did you do? Well, when you ask those kind of questions, I have to wonder. And since I'm your father, I'm responsible for you. What? Navi doesn't do squat all day. Why would you do that? Okay, what's with the ice? What? Of course your water bowl is not ice. You're supposed to drink out of it, not walk on it. Oh, yeah, yeah. Well, you know, when you get that close. You're so cute. No. Your cuteness isn't going to work on me. No, sir. And what's that supposed to mean, mister?